This is the unboxing video of Rayoungtek N78 Tablets. Here are the instructions. This is a power adapter, and the output end is a DC interface. The bottom is a charging interface that matches the charging base. The base needs to be purchased separately. At the top, there are two skin buttons on the left and right. Power button, volume buttons, and barcode scanner. On the left, power input. USB and Type-C sockets. As well as headphone output and HDMI video socket. On the right side, there are SIM card and TF memory card slots. And in the middle is the reserved expansion slot. Next to it is the RJ45 network cable socket. On the back is the battery and speaker. The battery is removable, and you need to open the 3 locks to remove the battery. Three locks need to be locked when installing the battery. Thanks for watching. To purchase, please visit the Rayoungtek official website.